In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unavailable download error when trying to download videos on YouTube for Fire TV, a common issue that can be super frustrating if you're trying to watch something offline. First off, it's important to know that YouTube's official download feature is only available to YouTube Premium members. So if you're getting the unavailable download message, make sure you're signed in to a premium account. If you are a premium member and still seeing the error, try closing the YouTube app completely. Press and hold the home button on your Fire TV remote, then swipe the app away. Reopen it and try downloading again. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable Wi-Fi signal can prevent downloads from working properly. Try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Also, make sure your YouTube app is updated. Go to the Amazon App Store, search for YouTube, and hit update if needed. If that doesn't help, try signing out of your Google account and back in again. Sometimes re-authenticating fixes permission errors. Lastly, if none of these work, try using a different device or consider using screen recording apps to save content for offline viewing, always respecting copyright rules, of course. Thanks for watching. If this helped you finally get downloads working on YouTube for Fire TV, drop a comment below and let me know which step fixed it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you next time.